Hello, my name is Ruslan, I'm 20 years old and I am working for a farm company in Ukraine. Our company is selling case equipment in Ukraine, which is made in Canada and imported from United States. We sell case combines, tractors, reapers and other equipment. But we also provide harvesting service for other companies and other farms in Ukraine. And at this moment we are working for Natasha Agro in Ukraine. This is a big farm and we're helping this farm to harvest soybeans. And for this we are using case 8120, which you can see. This combine is equipped with reaper 9 meters wide.